Hey beauties, and welcome to the video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. This might be short, it might be long. I hope you like my little song. Alright beauties, so if you're unfamiliar with the Tribe Beauty box / bag, this is a bi-monthly makeup beauty subscription bag where you receive 5 full-size items, and it is $34.99 bi-monthly. I love this bag for a whole lot of reasons. First and foremost, they love indie brands and they put a lot of woman-owned indie brands in here. They're also a Black-owned company and a woman-owned company, so super, super cool. You guys know that I do not get any kind of spoilers on any types of bags. I just like to be surprised, y'all. And I don't typically get mine I don't typically get my bags so soon, so I'm feeling kind of good because I never get my bags or boxes early in the month. First up, I see something I already love, and it is 2 Luxie brushes. There is a Precision Foundation brush, which I already own. I'll show it to you in just 2 seconds. And then also the Duo Fiber Powder Rose Gold brush. So this one right here, I actually have 2 or 3 already. This is the one that I always use to do my highlight with, so it's kind of cool that I already know and love the brush. And then this is a Duo Fiber brush. Very nice. Starting off on a right foot. So that's kind of your beauty tool, if you will. Next up is some kind of an oil, I'm assuming. Very exciting. Do I even try? Haboneria, Marianella, Oak, Moss, and Coconut Golden Oil with Argan, Marula, Pomegranate, and Grape Seed Oil. That sounds incredible. Okay, incredible. Do we want to open it? I'll wait because I have so many open, but y'all know that I'm all about any kind of oils and stuff like that, so very exciting. This says, our golden body oil is a shimmering, I'd have to see, is a shimmering elixir that will nourish your skin with a powerful and beneficial combination of oils, vitamins, and minerals for the ultimate glow. This glorious oil blend was handcrafted for you at the Marianella Soap Bar in Soho, and it does say shake well before use. That's really, really cool. I think the bottle is aesthetically very beautiful. It feels heavy, feels luxe, and it is glass, of course. So I'm excited about that, y'all. Super excited. Next up, I see an Acne Pimple Master Patch, ADF Hydrocolloid Dressing. And there are 24 acne patches in here. That's pretty cool. Caleb and I love using things like this. We really like the Skin Iceland ones. And then there's another brand that we really, really love. And I just got a brain fog. But we love these, especially Caleb. I mean, he's a teenager, he gets acne. And anytime I kind of start to feel something under the skin or start to see a little bit of, you know, some redness happening where I know a blemish is gonna come, I will put a patch on. Like I said, the Skin Iceland ones are our favorites. I'll put the patch on at night before I go to bed. Wake up in the morning, y'all. I'm excited for this. Next up is a Wander Beauty, a Double Date, a Lip and Cheek, and I do not see a shade. We're gonna open her and find out. And we typically do see Wander Beauty quite a bit in subscription boxes. Oh, that's cute. So this is the Double Date Lip and Cheek. The top shade is called Rendezvous and the bottom shade is called Swipe. That's really cute. Make sure we're not blinding you. And it's like this cool little like duo. I'm guessing you just twist it or... Oh. It's sheer, so I'm not really understanding what it is just yet. And then you open up the top and then there's your blush. So I'm guessing this is more like a blush, you know, cheek tint. And then this one right here, the sheer one, you could use it for like a glassy skin moment or use it on your lips as well. I'm probably not going to use this. If I would have realized that's what it was, I probably wouldn't have opened it up to the air. But super, super cute component. I'm also not super into like pinky pink blushes, so we're going to pop her right back in this box. It's still really cute. I like the concept of it. And then, last but certainly not least, darlings, is a Nomad palette. It is called Logo di Como. And it says Nomad Cosmetics. Very, very exciting. I tried Nomad Cosmetics. I had tried like a bronzer and a single shadow from previous sub boxes. And then, y'all know I love indie brands. So I ended up making an order. Phenomenal quality. Great shipping. Y'all. Oh my God. I'm going to open this on the count of 3, y'all. And y'all tell me if this is not a mother effing Riri palette. 1, 2, 3. You guys. Oh. I mean greens and golds. Y'all, come on now. Come on now. That is freaking amazing. That is gorgeous. I'm really excited to try that. It does have a cute little mirror. I love it. Oh my goodness. We're going to have to swatch because I know I'm keeping the... Ooh. So Bellagio, Disco Volante, and Palazzo. Oh, and they feel so beautiful. If you have not tried Nomad Cosmetics and you've been sleeping on the brand, you should really try it. So that is those 3 shades. I'm excited. I'm very, very excited. All right, so we're going to hop on into the deets. August 2020, Italian Summers. The Nomad Cosmetics Lake Como palette is $27. Velvety, soft, and blendable eyeshadows formulated with extra fine pigment. 9 fresh, rich shades inspired by living la dolce vita at Lake Como in the summertime. 5 mattes and 4 soft shimmer finishes infused with organic grapeseed oil for vibrant and long-wearing color. The Jaboneria Marinella, my apologies if I'm saying that wrong, the Oak Moss and Coconut Body Shimmering Oil is $36. This is a shimmering elixir that will nourish your skin with a powerful and beneficial combination of oils and give you the ultimate summer glow. Each is custom blended for you by hand in small batches at the Marianella Soap Bar in Soho, New York. Shake well before use. As much as I love oils, you guys, like love, we know this, I don't know that I'm going to use it. I'm not really a shimmer fan kind of all over the body, although the ingredients and the way that it's handcrafted sound incredible to me. I'm probably going to pass on that just for the simple fact that it is a shimmering type of thing. Next up was the Luxie Beauty 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush, $25, and a 660 Precision Foundation Brush, $23. Use this soft duo fiber brush to apply powder products with a diffused look, or build up cream and liquid products for a bold finish. And that's the 516. For the number 660, use this brush to apply liquid or cream foundation and concealer for a medium coverage airbrushed finish. The Wander Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek, $22. This is a multitasking duo featuring a sheer tint and a clear shimmer-free balm for moisturized lips, cheeks, and eyes. The double-tiered compact with a built-in mirror is perfect for staying gorgeous on the go. And then we had our Cos RX Acne Pimple Master Patches for $6. This multiple award-winning pimple patch protects wounded or troubled areas from getting worse and maintains humidity of skin to prevent further breakouts. So I overall really love the box. Honestly, if this wasn't a shimmering oil, I would be all over it because I love this type of stuff. The acne patches, Caleb and I both will get some use out of. Very exciting. The Wander, I'm just going to pass this along to somebody. I think it's a super innovative thing. I think it's super, you know, I like the way that it looks. Aesthetically, it's really pretty and pleasing, and I think it'd be great for someone for on the go. But it's just not for me. And then we know I love Luxie brushes already, and this brush, I already own a few of them and use them daily. And then the Nomad Cosmetics, this is absolutely stunning. I'm very excited to test this out. So you guys will for sure see a look very soon with this. That is stunning. I love that so much. That's so pretty. And I already know and love their formulation, so I'm even more excited to get into this. So yeah, what did you guys think of this box? So overall, ecstatic. This palette is calling my name. Okay, y'all hear it? Riri. I heard it. I heard it. So that's it, beauties. Thank y'all so much for being here. If you have not yet, I would love if you would consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family here on YouTube. And remember to be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.